Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your living room feeling a little chaotic? Let's fix that by focusing on the heart of the room, the TV stand. Sometimes creating that calm, modern vibe isn't about a huge, deep clean. It's actually about consistent, gentle care. Start by clearing everything off. Then grab a soft microfiber cloth. A little damp wipe is all you need to lift away dust and fingerprints, making the surface look brand new. It's amazing how a few simple swipes can make everything feel so fresh and serene, almost like hitting a reset button on your day. Now for the fun part, arranging. Only put back the essentials. Maybe a stylish remote holder, a small plant for a touch of green, and one or two decorative items. The goal is to keep it minimal and clutter-free. And just like that, you've transformed your space. Thanks for watching. If you liked this tip, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more home inspiration. See you next time.